The most common challenges I heard from people like you who take care of a childcare center, they usually tell me that they are frustrated with inconsistency of cleaning standards, they are worried about poor cleaning protocols, and one of the most common one would be the floor is not very well maintained. And I don't suppose you experience any of those. If you do experience any of those and you think it makes sense for us to connect, give us a call or make an online request to arrange a 10 minutes conversation to explore whether we are suitable for you or not. We do understand that we are not for everyone, but we'll decide it together. If you'd like to proceed, we will arrange a time for site visit and provide a quotation within the next 24 to 48 hours. For more information, feel free to visit our website and our social media.